Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another hair mask that works like a charm. I had neglected my hair from past couple of months, so it was time to give them a nourishing treatment and get that shine and bounce back. This is a DIY hair gel that will not only helps you get shiny hair but also promote hair growth, stop hair fall and breakage including split ends. So for this mask you would need warm coconut oil. I just took a chunk of coconut oil in spoon and placed it over fire and it melted in seconds. That's it. It's about 1 tablespoon. This natural oil is suited to nearly all hair types and is packed with fatty acids that are good for your skin and hair. Coconut oil may help repair everyday damage, improve texture and restore health and shine to your hair. Then I added 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey will lock in moisture as it is an humectant and it nourishes your hair with vitamins and minerals. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Its an antiseptic properties helps with dandruff and also increase hair growth. Now mix them really well as the oils and gels don't mix very well. Then add 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E prevents hair loss, hair breakage and split ends. It contributes to hair shine. Now start applying this mask on your scalp and massage your way to the hair ends. Some cleansing type hair mask you only need to apply on your roots and leave out the ends. But this hair gel will work differently on your roots and different on your hair strands. It will increase blood circulation on your hair follicles and will nourish your hair strands. Regular treatments will eventually get rid of split ends without trimming your hair. Once you have coated all your hair with this gel, tie it up in a bun and leave it on for about 1 to 2 hours. Then wash it off with mild shampoo followed by conditioner. You will see the difference in one use. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more skincare and haircare videos. See you next time. Bye bye.